Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give us a warm round of applause, yell, for Senator Catherine Pugh.
Show y'all love, Bourbon Street. All right.
Thank you all. I was listening to the brother while he was performing, and I want to take a moment to thank Larry Young, because this really is about our future, your future. We're talking about not being counted out, but being counted in. And we want folks to count us in. And the only way that they count us in is that we participate in voting. So I need the young people especially, because they're saying that we're not going to come out and vote. You're not going to come out and vote. But we know that you all are going to come out and vote. Everybody knows that 2 years ago, we elected the first African-American president. And people will tell you that the reason we were able to elect him was because young people believed and went out and exercised their right to vote. So we need you all to gather up all the young folks, knock on their doors, talk to them in the classroom, meet them on the street, tell them how important it is for them to get out and vote in this election. We want to make sure, you all, this is really important. We want to make sure that we continue our scholarships for young people. Just in my district alone, we give away over $250,000 in scholarships to young people. If we don't get out and vote for the folks who want to move our state forward, Congressman Cummings, major, if you don't get out and vote for him, we won't be able to continue to do the things that we do. If we don't go out and vote for Governor O'Malley, we will not get the monies in Annapolis for education that we've had thus far. So we need you to support, to go out, to knock on doors. And again, I went to the polls. I've already got my little sticker. I voted. Anybody else got a sticker out there? How many people went out and early voted? Nobody? So maybe tomorrow when I walk past some of you all, you will be able to say you early voted, because you can vote from 10 to 8 p.m. There's no excuse, you all. There's no lines out there. We need you. I cannot begin to say it loud enough. Without you, what we need to happen in the state of Maryland won't happen. So how many people out here are going to vote? Are y'all going to vote? You're going to vote? You're going to make sure your family votes? You're going to make sure your friends vote? All right, November the 2nd is the day. Again, you can early vote now, but I'm just here to remind you all how important it is to thank the Senator Larry Young for urging you all to come out here, because it really is all about you. It's all about our young people. It's about your future and the future of your brothers and sisters. So please, you all, exercise your right to vote. Encourage others to do so. I look forward to your participation, and to remind you that on November the 4th through the 6th, we're having Black Caucus Weekend. There is a youth forum on November the 4th. $25,000 in scholarships are available. But again, this is about voting. So exercise your right to vote. We look forward to you at the voting polls. Thank you.